All right, boys, let's recap a trade that I made yesterday that made me $12,000 with FTT, Fast Track Trading. Check this out. So I drew my trend lines. This is the first 10 minutes of market open. We had a giant fucking gaping girthy dildo that just fucking skyrocketed. I drew my trend lines. I was like, okay, if it pulls back to the trend line, I'm gonna take a scalp for 70 something ticks. So there we go. I put down my limit order, and I might get filled right here. I'm not sure. It went one tick away from hitting my limit order, and holy shit, was I a little salty. And I was getting a little bit nervous because I hate taking trades within the first 15 minutes of market open, but I used to do it, and I used to do very well with it, and it overshot my entry a little bit. We saw a little bit of drawdown. We're in 3 cons times 10, so we're in 30 cons right now, and we are playing for the double top. And I think this was perfect because when the market opens super bullish and just completely rips past support zones, then it usually has a pullback before it goes right back up and either rips higher or consolidates and then dips lower. But I suspected that it was going to reach the highs once again because NASDAQ just loves doing that. So we sat in here pretty patient. I was debating taking the money right now and running, but I didn't, and it was coming back down, and first 15 minutes of market open are pretty wild. So I'm sitting there, I'm like, oh shit, it's back on my entry. I could have scalped that. That's what's going through my head. Then I'm like, no, this trade's going to work out. But just in case, I'm going to move my stops to break even. Because if it does come back down again, just like that, it's probably going to rip to the floor. But I held it, balls of steel, trader mentality, turned this into a zero risk trade. And we just kind of sat there and waited for it to play out live on YouTube. In case you guys missed it, don't miss it next time. And this is one of my favorite strategies. That's why I took this trade. It is like the opening range breakout trade, or whatever the fuck you want to call it. I don't really care what the name is, but it looks like this, and it holds the trend line, and it has a nice little pullback like that, like NQ loves to do. And then it just rips back up, and this is right where I pretty much made my $12,000. I got a little nervous that it wasn't going to sweep the top, and I was already up 12 G's, so I was like, oh shit, I got to fix this. Oh my god, it was supposed to be 2 cons first, and then have 1 con as a runner, so I had to go back, and I had to adjust my TP here soon, because it was coming back on me. I was supposed to sell 2 cons there, take profit, but it only did 1 con because I'm new to Sierra charts and I don't really know what I'm doing just yet. But I did move down my TP, and then I'm like, oh shit, is it going to get filled or not? And then, oh my god, it did get filled, and boom, baby, we made 12 G's. And it's trades like this that are the best. Look, $1,250 per account. We're up fucking like $46,000 with Fast Track Trading in just 4 days. Just doing absolutely excellent. Loving Fast Track Trading. If you guys want to check them out, it's instant funding. There's a link in my bio or in the description below if you want to check them out. They're a newish prop firm. They're pretty awesome. We also have an interview with Scott, the CEO, live on here on this YouTube channel in case you want to take a deeper dive into him. But I also wanted to bring up my new Capo Club Mobstership, where I basically teach you and have a community all working alongside together to master the markets, fucking make money together, and just, work as a team, because teamwork makes the dream work, right? So if you guys are interested in joining the Capo Club, Go to dgtmafia.com. There's a bunch of stuff you could read about here, right here. But I did just make a fucking nasty sale, and it is no longer a monthly membership. It is only a lifetime membership, okay? You pay one time and you're in the Capo Club for life. And it is $500, and you get a direct line to me, plus my trusted consiglieres, along with one of my, actually, the guy that first taught me when I first got into trading. It's Brian. If you guys know Brian from my Discord, Brian is one of my consiglieres, and he's the one that taught me how to trade originally, and I just kind of grew based off of what he taught me. And honestly, this was mobile first design, so this needs to get shifted right there, but we'll worry about that later. But I do have a 50% off sale right now for the lifetime membership. It is filled with badass knowledge. We have a Capo 101 trading course, which has a series of master classes for people that are beginners, based on market structure, levels, pivot points, stuff like that. Then we also have the NASDAQ mastery courses, which is basically my trading style and my strategy and what to look for. And alongside that, we also have the mobster mindset trading, where it took me years to develop this mindset where I don't give a fuck if I lose, and I don't give a fuck if I win. Of course, I'll feel happy if I win. Of course, I'll feel a little bit, sad or whatever that if I lost. But for the most part, I just don't give a fuck anymore. And I am trying to give you guys a shortcut, psychology-wise, to get to that mindset through the mobster mindset trading masterclasses. Okay? So that's probably one of my favorite things that I'm putting into the Capo Club, that, I'm uploading new videos all the time too, and it's just, I feel like it's the most important thing. I feel like 90% of trading is all psychological, while the 10% is strategy. Of course, I do have the NASDAQ Mastery, which goes over my strategies, market open strategies, trading trends, how to identify trends, how to identify entries and stop losses, and stuff like that. But yeah, I mean, this is brand new. I just started it. The 50% off sale is gonna be very, very limited for like the next, like, I don't know, maybe 10, 15 people that join. They'll get 50% off, so it'll be $250 for a lifetime of Capo Club Mobstership, which is going to be super fucking sick. We're gonna have group coaching sessions. We'll have people come on stage in the Discord group that is completely exclusive to the capos, and we're gonna go over like what each person's problem is individually, one by one. We'll pick one person a week or one person a month, whatever, whenever everyone has time, and everyone's gonna share basically the same issues when it comes to trading, because trading isn't that difficult. It's actually very, very simple, but we always overcomplicate it. So by doing these like weekly coaching sessions, like group coaching sessions, I think it'll be a fantastic way to help people shift their mindset, along with the master classes, along with the sick fucking Discord community, us just all working together to make the dream happen, to make the dream of just being profitable in trading, to making money trading, to I guess basically getting to where I am, because I've already achieved it. I've been traveling the world for the past year now, and it's just been awesome because all I do is just trade and go country to country and then just fuck around. But yes, I mean, I'm not here to sell you guys anything. I just wanted to give a shout out to the Capo Club that is now officially live. And if you guys are interested, dgtmafia.com is where you sign up. 50% off for a limited time only. You could read all about it. You could read the testimonials from the people that joined early on. You could read the facts. You could read all about my prop firms that I use and why I like them and which one I think, is good for which type of trader. And, fucking, yeah. Let's just fucking unite all together, make the fucking dream happen. I mean, I kind of already made my dream happen, but, I see so many people, like, messaging me, man, like, oh, can you give me some money? Can you, do this? I'm, like, I'm so broke, I can't afford to pay my rent and stuff like that. And it's like, no, I'm not a fucking charity. I'm not just gonna give money away for free. When I was fucking dead ass broke, I never begged for money. I found a new way to make money. And that's what I'm giving people now. I'm giving people the opportunity to be able to learn the skills to fucking make money, potentially. Okay? You teach a man, you give a man a fish, he eats for a day. You teach a man to fish, he eats for a lifetime. That's the whole point of the Capo Club. And yes, boys, if you guys are interested, join the Capo Club. First 10 to 15 people will get 50% off. It is lifetime. Once you're in the Capo Club, you're in the mafia for life. The damn good trading mafia. And, we like to make money. So, chances are, if you hang around with people that make money, I'm just saying, like, you are who you hang around with. So, choose your friends wisely, choose your clubs wisely, and choose who you learn from wisely. If you guys like the way that I kind of teach or the way that I kind of talk, I can give, maybe a free lesson or something like that on YouTube, just to see if you guys like the way I trade or my trading or teaching style. And then, yeah, maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll do one lesson on YouTube just so I can give away my trading style. But before that, doesn't matter. The first 10 to 15 people that sign up get 50% off the Capo Club. Then it goes away forever, and it is $500 to join the Capo Club. And it is a one-time payment for life, and you are in it forever. And with that being said, I still highly recommend everyone check out FastTrack Trading. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not like partnered with them or anything. I am an affiliate with them, so use my discount link below. It's code DGT for max discount always, by the way. But fucking, it's free fucking free instant funding. Not free. It's instant funding. There's no evals. It's straight to funded. I mean, I think this is the future of prop firms. I fucking love it. I still have my 21K pending from Apex, and when I requested my payout from FastTrack Trading, it was in my bank the next day. Apex, I requested it 5 days ago, and now it's under review. What the fuck? Come on, Apex. Approve my 21 Gs. I didn't DCA. I didn't do any of that stuff. But that is the end of my little rant. And yeah, I just kind of got bored today. So, YOLO boys, stay beautiful. And if you want to watch me trade live, I am doing it for free all the time on YouTube. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can catch me trading live. And we could have a lot of fun together, boys. Stay cool and get in the mafia. Peace, boys.